Hey everybody, it's Anthony Amatrano here on EduPower Tools, and I want to take less than 2 minutes of your day to show you how to create a second calendar in Google Calendars. The reason why you might want to do this is you might use your primary calendar for your appointments and upcoming things, projects and things like that. But you might need a secondary appointment, like if you're a teacher and you want to keep track of the days of the cycle rotation, or have a secondary calendar for birthdays, or have a secondary calendar for any number of reasons. You might want to have one. It's super easy to do, and here's how you do it. So you're going to go to settings. You're going to click on the gear here and click on settings, and that's going to open up the calendar settings page. There's all of your calendar settings are on this page here, and you're going to see that you have down on the left hand side here settings for all your calendars, and you see that I have a number of different ones. Some of them are Google Classrooms, some of them are secondary calendars that I just set up, some are shared from other people. But to create a new calendar, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Add Calendar here, and you can either subscribe to a calendar, which is not what you want to do here in this point. You want to create a new calendar. So you're going to click on Create a New Calendar. It's going to ask you to give it a name and a quick description. I'm just going to call it Secondary Calendar, and I'm going to call it as an example. This is an example. That's it. You can set the time zone so that you might have an office maybe in another part of the world, or want to coordinate online meeting times with other classes from other parts of the world that are in different time zones. So you can set the time zone here, or you can just keep it in what your time zone is here. For me, it's Eastern, and I'm going to do that, and I'm just going to click Create, and it's going to take a few seconds. It's been successfully created, and you're going to see it. You should see it down here. If you don't see it here, you're just going to refresh. And once you've refreshed, it should pop up. This is going to take me back to the actual calendar itself, to all the calendars here, and we should see secondary calendar here on the left-hand side once it loads. All right, nope, it's not. It's taking me back to settings, which is fine. And you're going to see it here, secondary calendar right here. So then once you're in secondary calendar, you can adjust all the sharing settings and all that good stuff. I hope you found that useful and helpful. If you need any help setting up Google Calendars or any other Google products, let me know. Happy to help at any time. Thanks so much. Have a good day.